Welcome to 60 Seconds to Code, where I show you how to code in 60 seconds or less. Today you will learn about functions. A function is a named piece of code which you can run by using its name. A function sometimes accepts inputs called parameters and sometimes returns a value. Step 1. Create a new file called function.py. Step 2. On line 1, type def and then press tab. Visual Studio Code will insert a snippet of code for writing a function. Step 3. Change the funcname to findMax and parameter list to findMax of. Step 4. On line 2, type max is equal to 0, and on line 3, type for item in findMax of : Step 5. On line 4, type if item is greater than max : and on the next line, type max is equal to item. Step 6. On line 6, type return max, and in line 7, type print find max with a bunch of random numbers is greater than or equal to 0 with proper indentation, exactly as it appears on the screen. Step 7. Run the program. For your homework, can you find the bug I have intentionally left in the code? What if all the numbers in the list are negative? Hint: try using a for index in range loop. The code is available in a link in the description below. Congratulations, you have learned about functions, parameters, and returning values. Save and push to GitHub and try to code a little every day because code is life.